everyone, my name is Meredith with Lifehacker.com, and today we're getting into the 8 things you should really never put in your dishwasher. Even though a dishwasher is your best friend for most of your everyday plates, mugs, bowls, ladles, I could go on, I'm unstoppable. A dishwasher's high water temperature can wreak havoc on certain kitchen items. So, to extend the lifespan of your kitchen essentials, always make sure to hand wash the following items. At number 1, we have anything made of wood. Cutting boards, wooden spoons, wood-handled knives, these have no place in your dishwasher. The hot water can warp wood, detergent can scratch it, and the drying cycle may crack it. Warp it, scratch it, crack it. Instead, what you should do is simply wipe it down, hand wash in warm soapy water, and dry immediately. At number 2, we have china, glass, and crystal. Hand-painted designs, gold filigree, a word that I just learned how to pronounce, and any easily chipped surface, they're no match for the harsh conditions inside your dishwasher. Number 3, cast iron or copper. Don't put this high-end material in the dishwasher, or it'll become dull and discolored. Instead, wipe it down with a soft cloth, or wash it in mild soapy water, towel dry, and immediately re-season it. Alright, at number 4, we have non-stick pots and pans. When you can, stick to a paper towel wipe down, brief steam clean, and gentle lukewarm soap bath. At number 5, we have knives. The good knives. While your basic nightly dinner knives, they'll be fine in the dishwasher, your precious steak knives or food prep knives deserve special treatment that your dishwasher just can't provide. At number 6, we have cheese graters. First, just like with those sharp knives, the dozens of tiny blades on the cheese grater will dull over time in the dishwasher. Secondly, the small holes trap food particles that even your dishwasher's water blast may not be strong enough to dislodge. Number 7, thin plastic. Many will melt, warp, and otherwise become unclosable after just one cycle. Other plastic items are a toss-up. It's always best to place them on the top rack, away from your dishwasher's heat source. At number 8, we have sticky labels. We've all been there. You finish a jar of mild salsa. You see that adhesive sticky label's already showing signs of weakness, and you think, perfect, I'll pop it in the dishwasher and the heat will take it right off. Right? The pieces that come off in the washer can clog the filter or drain, causing a potential need for repair down the road, and nobody wants a broken dishwasher. So those are the top 8 items you should really never put in your dishwasher. Stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips, tricks, and general cheat codes for living.